Hey everybody, Jason Moser here with you from Motley Fool One, and thanks for joining us for another edition of Ask a Fool. Today we're taking a question from Scott Sauer, and Scott asks, do you think that JCPenney is a value play at these low prices today? And Scott, I think everybody probably has their own perspective on things depending on whether you're a value investor or a growth investor. I don't really consider myself either. I'm really just an investor looking to make money. But I think you ask a great question there in regard to JCPenney. And if you look at JCPenney, if anything, it is a value play, but the challenge is actually figuring out how much of any value is actually there. You look at by virtually every metric over the last 5 years and even beyond, JCPenney is in big trouble. Gross margins down almost 10 full percentage points, resulting in operating and net losses. They have a net debt position of more than $4 billion today, and they've done a good job of stringing that debt, spreading it out over time, but still it has to be a concern. The top line revenue is down over 30% over the last 5 years as well, and the result is a stock price that trades just a few dollars over its recorded tangible book value. So what is that tangible book value? Well, there is some real estate on the books there that obviously holds value, but how much? It really depends, because if they become desperate sellers, well, then that real estate might not be as valuable as they think it is, not to mention the inventory on there, which can often just be rendered obsolete in a matter of time. So when you look at the market dynamics when it comes to retail, general retail like JCPenney is just brutal. They have no real competitive advantage. The brand doesn't hold any real sway in the market, and the management turnover has really given JCPenney more or less a ship without a captain, so to speak. There's no real clear message or strategy of how they're going to try to fix things going forward, and so now what we have is this headline stock, which means it's just subject to more scrutiny and volatility with every changing second. So it could be a fun case study, I think, but to my mind, I don't think the risk reward is really there to justify an investment in JCPenney today. I think there are better options out there, but I appreciate you asking the question, and for more information, make sure to check out Fool.com.